Hey everybody, how's it going? So I picked up a couple items for my wife from Cal Ranch Supply. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody. Alright, so I picked up 3 items from Cal Ranch Supply. I was also there for a couple other items that they didn't have. They didn't have any gamma lids, which are those lids that you can pop on. You can pop the ring on, and then you can just thread the lid on and off. They're called gamma lids. Cal Ranch carries every color. They're $7.99. Black Friday. Today is Black Friday. It is November 27th, 2020. I guess because they dropped the price of the gamma lids to like $4 a piece. It was $3.99 for all of them now. They didn't have any. They usually have like 20 or 30 of each color, and the gamma lids, they come in like 9 different colors, something like that. I wanted to buy one of each color and then buy an extra, probably 1 or 2 extra orange and red, and 1 or 2 extra green. And they didn't have any. But these items and a couple of the gamma lids were actually for my wife. I have a bunch of 5-gallon buckets that she puts her different fertilizers in for her garden. And she mentioned during Thanksgiving that she wished she had a home canning funnel. She didn't call it a home canning funnel. She just said a wide mouth funnel. She said that Cal Ranch had it the last time we were there. She just forgot to grab it. So she was at home sleeping, sleeping for work, and I figured, you know, I'm already out. I went to crap ton over 60, I think it was 61 Home Depots today, about 8 or 9 Lowe's, 2 Tractor Supplies, Cal Ranch, and a couple Walmarts and a couple other stores. It's just one of those out shopping and seeing what kind of deals there were. I didn't pick up very many Black Friday deals. My personal opinion, a lot of the power tools, they're not great deals, and most of the deals are for tools I already own. But I picked up my wife 2 of these home canning funnels. These are meant to fit perfectly inside of a wide mouth jar. I'm not sure what the jars are called. I can't remember. I'm sure you guys are going to correct me and say, oh, it's this. This guy had a reduced price sticker on it, which was $7.99. It wouldn't scan. And when the lady finally got it to scan, she had to manually enter one of the numbers, and I guess the lady that was helping me entered the wrong number on the discount barcode, and instead of it being $7.99, it was $5.40. And because I've spent over $500 at Cal Ranch in the last few months, I had a $6 coupon, so I applied it. So these 3 funnels ended up only being like $6 and some change. These were like $2.50, $2.49 a piece, something like that. They might have been a little higher, I don't remember. And this one is a lot thicker. This one actually wraps around the outside of the jar. Like this one has a picture of the jar. So this lip, inner lip right here, or outer lip, this outer ridge fits on the outside of the jar, and then this physically fits on the threads of the jar, and then this inner lip physically goes in the jar. So this actually is a lot nicer of a funnel. They only had 1. I would have picked up 2 if they had 2 of them. I'm sure I'll go back and they'll have another one. But so this one seals against the jar, and then the inner lip seals on the inside of the jar, so there's no way of it spilling out. This one, if you fill too fast, it possibly could push the funnel out, or this one could spill outside. But this one only retains on the inside of the jar. I grabbed 2 of this one in case one's dirty or one's, you know, it is drying or whatever, and then I grabbed this one. Just a quick video. Just present for my wife because she's doing a lot of gardening, and I've noticed a lot of vegetables and a lot of items that are growing quite well, especially in our crappy Arizona dirt. Did end up treating it with burnt firewood that I burned, firewood ash, and other things including cardboard ash, and all those boxes from all those tools that I bought that I ripped up and did a video on. All of that's in the garden. But appreciate you guys watching. Just a quick video. I will link a card up here for my wife's channel if you guys want to go check her out. She started out doing makeup, and now she's more veered towards cooking on her channel and gardening on her channel. So if you guys are interested in cooking and gardening, go ahead and check out her channel. And you know, if you guys are interested, or you guys have wives that are interested in makeup, you know, I'm sure my wife will do more makeup stuff. Just she hasn't bought any makeup in like 8 months, 9 months, almost a year. But appreciate you guys watching. Please like, comment, subscribe as always. Please go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. Also, I have a link at the top of the description down below. That's for Also Tools. If you guys click on that link, it will give you guys 10% off of your order from AlsoTools.com. As well as it kicks me back an availability to get 10% off my next order. If you guys need anything from Also Tools, click on the link, you know, save some money. Appreciate you guys hanging out with me today. Hope you guys had a great Thanksgiving and good Black Friday. Nobody got trampled, hopefully. And hopefully I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace!